Welcome to Soteria, a brand new AI-powered website security technology, turning website protection into a profit-pulling service, launching your own web security agency in minutes with everything done for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how Soteria is not only considered your best profit-making opportunity as an agency service provider, but also is fast becoming the world's #1 best website security software today. Let me show you how. This is the Soteria dashboard. From here is where you activate full online protection for any website in a single click. You start by clicking on the Web Assets tab to go to the Assets area, where Soteria aggregates all websites you want to protect and audit. This allows you to save and manage all your assets in one place. And if you are offering Soteria services as an agency, here's where you save and keep safe all of your clients' assets. Adding an asset is as easy as clicking on the Add Asset button, choosing the asset type you would like to add for Soteria monitoring, which can be either domain or IP address. I will select the domain option, then add the site's domain name here, and then click on Create. You'll then be prompted to verify Soteria's connection to your domain by either uploading a TXT file or by adding a DNS record. Don't worry about it. Either process is very easy to implement. The easiest one to use is the DNS record option. Let me do this quickly. It takes just a sec. Once you're done adding the DNS record, click on this button right here. Congratulations, your asset has been added successfully. Click Get Started to set up our security recommendations and tools. This means Soteria quickly recognized the DNS record I just added and integrated my domain into the security platform. Super easy, right? And as you can see, it took just a few seconds for Soteria to give me a preliminary security checklist for this domain in particular. There is a preliminary security checklist of recommended tips and steps to ensure your asset is secure. What you should do is go through each one and make sure they are implemented. If you don't know how to fix it, simply click on this button right here, and a brief explanation of what needs to be done for this particular task will be given to you. Once you're done with it, just mark it as complete. Completing each and every one of these recommended tips and steps will make your site even more secure. We strongly recommend you complete them all. Clicking on Proceed to Next Step will let you start protecting and monitoring your assets in real time. Soteria provides different ways to protect and monitor your assets. Kindly set up at least 2 of these, or all 3 if your site is installed in WordPress. You can run a deep scan of your asset to get real-time insight on security status by clicking on this button right here. First, you would need to select your asset. You can then run either a light or full scan and be able to preview a history of scans performed for this domain in particular. Let's run a light scan for a quick demonstration. This scan will take less than a minute and will go through your site, scan for vulnerabilities, and give you a complete report on a silver platter. What you will see here is a summary of the vulnerabilities and strengths found on your website, giving you all the details you need to know for every one of the findings, rating them by high, medium, and low risk level. Not only that, you will also be given a description, its impact, the solution, an analysis of the particular issue, the result, as well as detailed instructions on how to fix it, and the same for each and every one of the findings. Even cooler is the fact that you can download this entire report so you can hand it to your clients. Now, how cool is that? And that is just the first way to get Soteria's real-time insight on security status for any website. The second way applies if you have a WordPress website installed on your domain. Soteria gives you access to a dedicated and end-to-end WordPress protection plugin, which you can use to protect and constantly monitor your own WordPress websites, and even sell this plugin to protect your clients' WordPress websites. On this page, you can create activation codes and manage the WordPress plugin installations. You can click here to download the plugin. I will install the plugin on a client WordPress website for demonstration purposes. This will just take me a sec. As you can see, Soteria will ask you for an activation code. So let's get one really quick. Here I will add the client's WordPress website URL and click on Proceed. And I will quickly get the activation code to enable the plugin on this particular website. This is how you would generate the codes you give to your clients so they can activate the Soteria plugin on their WordPress websites. I already generated an activation code for the WordPress website I'm demonstrating, so let's continue the test with that one. So let's copy the code, paste it, and activate. And the plugin activation code is applied. Now let's activate the plugin itself. As you can see, the plugin as well as the protection for this particular WordPress website is now totally activated. How cool is that? Soteria provides up to 4 layers of protection for any WordPress website, including SQLI attacks, bad bots, proxies, and spammers. In the Settings tab, you can customize things like mail notification and the URLs for the banned page, banned country page, banned OS page, among others. In the Protection Modules tab, you will be able to enable or disable the SQL injection protection, bad bots protection, proxy protection, and spam protection. A brief explanation is given right here for every layer of protection so you can understand a bit more about each one. You can also take a look at the logs, bans, whitelists, warning pages, PHP security check, system information, visit analytics, error monitoring, .ht access editor, port scanner, IP blacklist checker, hashing, login history. As you can see, everything related to your WordPress protection is totally covered with this powerful plugin. And there's a third way to make sure you keep all websites protected with Soteria, by setting up real-time security monitoring receipts on all your assets, easily. As you can see here, Soteria also provides a real-time monitoring feature where you can create a monitoring recipe to schedule and automate timely scans on your assets. You create a monitoring recipe by clicking this button right here. You can choose for the monitor recipe to be generated and sent monthly, weekly, or daily. You can choose the asset, the time zone, enable the report to be sent by email, and create. It's that simple. You can view the scan reports generated by clicking here. The list of reports will be shown to you, displaying start time, risk level, and the urgent action to be taken. Well, I guess you get the point now. And this is why Soteria is fast becoming the world's #1 best website security software today. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. We haven't talked about the Soteria widget, or how Soteria can launch your own web security agency in minutes with everything done for you. By going to the widget area, Soteria lets you customize everything in your widget, including interface customizations, button customizations, and animations. Here you can add your contact email, contact phone number, and contact address. This is the code you need to install on your agency website so potential buyers can run website scans 100% free of charge, giving them a taste of your professional website security services. Your agency website visitors simply need to add their website URL, email address, click on the blue button, and the scan will start right away. Once complete, an email with the report will be sent to their inbox. But not only that, this powerful widget is a lead generation machine at the same time. Yep, as you can see, the domains and emails for every single scan will be listed here, as well as the 100% free report ready to download by clicking this button. And there you have it. Ready, professional looking, and generated 100% hands-free. And last but not least, here you can access the agency portal, where you can access your DFY assets and set up your agency websites with ease, powered by a drag and drop editor. Setting up an agency website is totally simple as well. You just click here. Click on Create. Select a web security agency-oriented website or a Soteria plugin sales-oriented website and click on Save and Next. Here you add the website name. Custom JavaScript, like the widget code I already showed you. Let me add that as well really quick. And a fave icon. The site logo, and click on Save and Next. Add your agency contact email, social account URLs, phone number and address, and click on the Create button. And that's about it. Your agency website is ready. You can easily set up a custom domain by clicking this button right here. This process is really simple too. For step 1, you need to copy the subdomain URL assigned to the agency website you've just created. Step 2 is to navigate to your desired domain service provider to create a CNAME record using the values provided here. This is pretty similar to what I did when validating my domain name to get it into the Soteria platform for protection. And here, you simply add the name of the domain you want to connect to the agency website and click on Save. Totally simple. But let's preview our agency website now. You can preview it right here by clicking this button. Look at that. Clean, professional, and a really nice looking layout. All the corresponding designs and content are already done. And everything is set up in seconds with just a few clicks. And if you want to edit anything on your agency website, you can do so by clicking on this edit icon right here, and you'll instantly access our premium drag and drop page builder and editor to edit absolutely anything on the page and create any page you can imagine. And you can see how people view your page by clicking here. This is just terrific. But not only that, here you have additional resources you will definitely need to succeed as an agency. Just click and you'll be able to download ready-to-use ad banners, brochures, cold email sequences, cards, flyers, and even letterheads. Okay, you got my attention. All this looks just terrific. I'm ready to access Soteria and all, but who am I going to sell this service to? Well, that's a very good question as well. We've got you covered on that too. Here in the Lead Finder, you'll be able to discover thousands of global business leads instantly using powerful data intelligence. Perfect for B2B campaigns, bulk prospecting, and broader market research. You'll access detailed information such as name, email, business address, phone number, website address, and be able to perform actions such as saving the lead, which you can access in the Saved Leads page by clicking here. Scanning their website, or even checking their preliminary checklist. But we went even further and developed a quick message sender right at your fingertips where you can add the recipient's email, choose a message template, and hit the confirm button to contact your lead instantly. Well, there's a lot more awesome stuff inside Soteria, but I can't show it all in just this video alone. Right now, you just need to get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to turn website protection into a profit-pulling service, launching your own web security agency in minutes with everything done for you, then try Soteria today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.